Kerala High Court has declared that a mere handshake between a Muslim woman and a man does not violate any religious beliefs, and either of them has any objections about it. As per the court, shaking hands is a traditional gesture that conveys greeting, respect and courtesy and is not violation of any religious belief. In fact, while giving out this particular order, the court said the woman was extremely brave, and it was hearing a plea of a man accused of circulating a video criticizing a Muslim woman for shaking hands with the then Finance Minister of Kerala in 2016. The petition has been rejected. Well, I'm being joined by none other than Advocate Riswana. Thank you so much, Advocate Riswana. You went to the court, you fought it out. Much of this case is also sub judice, but for now, where the petition has come, the court says you are a brave woman and has made some very strong observations. How do you look at it?
Okay, first of all, thank you for the opportunity. And I think during the time when this court have passed this particular judgment, lots of other judgments were also passed by the same Honorable Kerala High Court. And but if this particular judgment have got such a attention, and based on that particular judgment, you have contacted me. So that itself shows the relevancy of this particular decision of the Honorable High Court. And I'm really happy with the decision of the Honorable High Court. And I strongly believe that today's society is really waiting for this kind of judgment. And so I'm very happy with the decision of the Honorable High Court.
Well, I can clearly see that, but is it surprising for you that a handshake could upset somebody so much? It was just a handshake.
I think it's not, because since I'm also a Muslim, I'm also a person who follows the beliefs of the Muslim, that I have already expected that such kind of incidents will be occurred.
That's a very interesting take. But what does the court order really mean for you, Riswana?
First of all, I would like to make a clarification that I hadn't challenged any of the religious belief or any of the religious custom. Because I am a Muslim, I am the person who used to follow the customs and beliefs of the Islam or the religion which I used to follow. And when it comes to the comment of the court, or when it comes to the decision of the court, the thing is, what I have my question or the issue which I have raised is that as a citizen of this particular country, as a citizen of India, the Indian law is ensuring certain kind of protection to me, and my personal interests are protected by the Indian Constitution. And when my personal rights have violated, that the right which is ensured for me by the Indian Constitution and by the other legal systems of our country, only that violation I have questioned.
Right. In fact, you are a practicing Muslim woman. So when the court made the observations that it did, it went on to say that religious beliefs and the way you want to practice it is your personal decision. As a woman, as a practicing Muslim woman, how important was that for you?
From the decision of the court, it's very clear that court is not at all criticizing any of this religious belief. But instead, the court made a statement that since we are living in a democratic country and we have a written constitution, and under the Indian Constitution, since lots of personal rights are vested upon on an individual or on a citizen of our country, those individual rights will be protected.
Right. Right, Advocate Riswana, thank you very much for joining us. And of course, as the court has said, you're a very brave woman for standing up for your rights. Thank you very much for joining us.